This week, we're going to talk about
Tools.
Hi everyone! My name is Bob the Builder, and I heard that you're going to talk about tools. So I'm here to help you. Let's try to open the toolbox again. Let's see what tool are we going to have today. So, the first one is, do you know what it is? It is a screw. A screw. Say it with me. Screw. And screw starts with letter S. Come on, let's take some more. What do we have next? It's nuts. Those are nuts. Nuts starts with letter N. Okay, for the last one, let's see what are we going to have. It's a bolt. A bolt. Bolt starts with letter B. So what tool do we have today? We have screw and nuts and bolts. So let's see, how does it work? Let's start first with the screws. Now let's see how the bolts and nuts works. So let's play a little game. We have here screws and nuts. Can you find two the same colors? That's great. So let's start. Let's begin with the red screw. Where is the red nut? Is it this one? No, it's a green nut. How about this? No, it's a yellow nut. Is it this one? Yes, you found it. You found the red nut. Red screw, red nut. Very good. So let's try another one. How about color orange? Can you find the orange nut? Is it this one? No, it's a blue nut. How about this? No, it's a purple nut. So how about this one? Yes, very good. It's an orange nut. Orange screw, orange nut. Next, a yellow screw. Where is the other color? Find the yellow nut. Is it this one? No, it's a green nut. How about this? Yes, very good. It's a yellow nut. yellow screw, yellow nut. Next is the color blue screw. Find the blue nut. Very good, you found it. Blue screw, blue nut. Let's see if you can find the green nut. That was easy. Very good, you found it. Green screw, green nut. And for our last color, a purple screw and a purple nut. Well done, everyone. So don't forget the screw, bolt, and nut. See you again tomorrow for more tools. Bye! Please watch these videos. I'll put the links down below.